bike's at quite a high rate of speed, passing Bathurst now. If units just want to stay back, we'll let you know when he stops.
Okay, approaching Dufferin. Ask if we should switch to 4 District Air.
Air 2, you want us to switch to 4 District Air? It is just getting to Dufferin now.
Delta 401, go ahead.
Sir, description.
Air 2 will switch over to 4 District Air. We still got a visual on the bike.
10-4.
Yeah, we're just following a motorcycle, high rate of speed. It's getting off at...
Is that Keel or Dufferin? Keel.
At Keel. Just took off on police twice.
Sorry, just confirm exiting at Keel from the 407?
That 10-4, the bike is northbound right now.
I got it. Okay.
Approaching
line staff. Yes, sir.
Okay, I gotta clear you off your G-stop to put you on. Again, we're not going to be pursuing this bike. Air 2's got the visual.
North of Langstaff now.
And Air 2 motorcycles north of Langstaff now.
We'll be approaching Dufferin in a second. It's through this intersection. Okay, this is not Dufferin, is it? He's slowing down. Yeah, Dufferin, next one. Coming up Dufferin.
And Air 2 bike is coming up to Dufferin now.
Approaching Langstaff, and Highway 7. Okay.
And Air 2 approaching Langstaff.
Keep him on the camera, please. Got him in the
10-4 approaching Langstaff.